Installing hardwood floors. Project preparation. You can always gain new knowledge and experience that will serve you well in future endeavors from each new hardwood floor installation project. However, during each project there are certain steps that must remain unchanged. For example, subfloor preparation. Understanding the individual phases of the installation of any type of flooring and their relationship to each other will make your job more professional and reliable. The first step of the installation is studying in subfloor preparation. Typically, customers do not want to invest in leveling and try to make the process cheaper. They do not realize that incorrect leveling often affects not only the quality of installation, but also the appearance and quality of floor. When installing hardwood floors on different projects, you have to deal with the subfloor preparation that any may already have floor covering. It can be a tile, vinyl, carpet, linoleum and even an old hardwood. Customers often cannot make rational decisions about the old flooring, as they are busy figuring out the costs of the project. Your job, as a professional, is to give them wise advice. In any case, to prepare a subfloor for hardwood installation, you should remove the old tile, laminate, linoleum, vinyl or carpet completely.
To get more great tips about what you should do when you installing hardwood floors, visit www.hardwoodfloorinstallation101.com.